Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dash and Run we're going to be having a look at this Boya HM100 omnidirectional handheld microphone. Now this microphone is really designed for doing interviews in the field, sort of like news gathering type interviews where you might see a news journalist doing a piece to camera and they'll have something like this type of microphone. And I saw these and they've been out for quite a while and I thought, well, I'm a fan of microphones, so I'm going to get this. They're not very expensive and I want to have a look and see what it's like. So basically in this video I'm just going to show you what you've got in the box, and I'll follow it up with a proper field test where I'll test it out against maybe one or two other microphones, but mainly this microphone, and I want to see how the audio quality's like. So anyway, let's see what we've got in the box and we'll go from there. So the first thing out of that box is basically this manual, which is good that they actually give you a bit of a manual. So it gives you a bit of information about the microphone, and it also shows you the pattern, being that this is an omnidirectional microphone, so you can see it's got a sort of roundish pattern. So at least you get some sort of manual. Next is you get this nice little carry case, and this is what would hold the microphone normally, and you can see it's quite nice. It's kind of a bit like an old pencil case type thing that you'd have at school, but at least you've got something that they've given you to put your microphone in to keep it safe, so I quite like that. And finally we've got the microphone itself, and as you can see it is quite a long microphone, and that's very good if you're going to do interviews. You want to keep your hand away from the actual microphone itself so that you don't get too much hand noise, so I quite like the fact that they've given it a long sort of stick handle type shape on it. Now it is an XLR type connection, which means that the audio should be resistant to noise and other things, because the connection is better than a normal 3.5mm type of connection. And overall it's of a metal design and it's got a bit of weight to it. Now like I said at the beginning, basically this is just an unboxing video, and what I want to do is follow this up with a proper look at this microphone and also some tests in the field to see if it's something that could be used as a news gathering type microphone when you're doing interviews or when you're talking to people, and to see if the audio quality is quite good from this particular microphone. So as always, thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.